Ever wondered if there's a financial superpower out there that lets you access your earnings before payday, and then, get this, works absolutely everywhere you shop? Like, imagine needing a new tire, an unexpected doctor's visit, or just really wanting that limited edition game, and having the funds instantly available, no matter if you're at a local boutique, an online megastore, or even paying for your morning coffee. Sounds pretty good, right? But here's the million-dollar question. Can Beforepay truly be used anywhere, or are there some hidden limitations we need to uncover? For those of you just hearing about it, Beforepay is essentially a pay-on-demand service. It allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday, for a small fixed fee. The idea is brilliant in its simplicity. Bridge the gap between when you earn your money and when you actually get paid, helping to avoid overdraft fees or high-interest loans for short-term needs. You link your bank account, Beforepay analyzes your income and spending, and then offers you an advance based on your earnings. It's designed to be a lifesaver for those unexpected expenses that always seem to pop up at the most inconvenient times. Now, back to our central question, anywhere. When we think about using money anywhere, our minds typically go to debit cards, credit cards, or perhaps even cash. These are universally accepted because they operate within established financial networks like Visa, MasterCard, or directly as legal tender. So, how does Beforepay fit into this landscape? Here's the crucial point. Beforepay isn't a debit card, nor is it a credit card. When you get an advance from Beforepay, the funds are transferred directly into your linked bank account. This is a critical distinction. It means that Beforepay itself isn't a payment method you present at a point-of-sale terminal or used as a direct payment option online. Think of it this way. Beforepay is the conduit, the bridge that gets your money from your future paycheck into your present bank account. Once that money is in your bank account, it becomes just like any other funds you have. This means you can then spend it using your regular debit card, withdraw it as cash from an ATM, use it for online purchases through your banking app or linked payment services like PayPal, or even pay bills directly from your account. So, to answer the question directly, Beforepay enables you to spend money anywhere your existing bank account and its associated payment methods are accepted. If a store takes debit cards, and you've transferred funds from Beforepay into your account, then yes, you can use those funds there. If you can pay for something online with your bank account, then the money accessed via Beforepay can be used for that too. This is a powerful advantage because it essentially gives you the flexibility of your own bank account, but with the added benefit of early access to your wages. There are no special Beforepay-only merchants or limited networks to worry about. As long as your bank account is linked and you receive the funds, you're free to use them as you would any other money. However, it's important to remember that Beforepay itself isn't a direct payment method. You won't be swiping a Beforepay card or selecting Beforepay at checkout. The Anywhere functionality comes from the seamless integration with your existing banking. This also means you need to have a functioning bank account to use the service in the first place. In essence, Beforepay empowers your existing financial tools. It's not a new tool itself, but rather a catalyst that makes your current tools more effective, more immediate. So, if your debit card works at your local grocery store, then yes, money accessed through Beforepay can be used there. If you can pay your utilities online, then those Beforepay funds can cover it. It's about access, not a new payment system. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.